Hello, actors. Today, during this horrible pandemic, we are generously giving our time.
We are in this together. And we were like, what do we do? What do we do? And then the gods smiled on us and said, do an actor Q&A.
Thank heavens, we now know how to help you all through this trying time. You likely know, but I'm Betty.
And I am Betsy. And we are the Bitter Bees.
We are known as bitter. But you know what else is bitter? Coffee. And it's good for your brain. And it makes you happy. So sometimes bitter isn't bad if you think about it. Do you think about it?
We are the top acting teachers in Los Angeles, New York.
All of New York, not just the city, the whole state.
The whole state of New York. Atlanta and state of Chicago.
And Tahlequah, Oklahoma. It's a small community of actors, but we are the top teachers there because we've been online for a while.
And we are tippy top acting teachers.
We make stars.
We make big stars, which makes us big stars in a way, in like sort of a way.
Emily Osment
Taught her. We taught her.
Joaquin, Arizona.
We taught him.
Meryl Streep.
Yeah, that Meryl Streep, the one you're thinking of, that you love and is deep in your heart, her.
I saw her at a coffee shop and I asked her, hey, would you film a little video saying how we're great acting teachers even though you've never taken our class? And she said, yes.
She did it.
Did it?
Yes. Oh, are you ready?
I'm not ready, but I'll try to prepare. An actor prepares.
You better lose yourself in the moment, the music, the moment. You own it. You better never let it go. You only got one shot. Do not miss the chance to blow. Your opportunity comes once in a lifetime. Once in a lifetime. That's all you get. Not twice. Once. Eminem said it.
I missed my one shot for an acting job, for being an actress. It was a workout video and it paid money. But I didn't do it. I said no because of my camel toe.
She had to say no because of that camel toe. It was really big. Like,
I was afraid. I was petrified. I missed my acting job shot, but I did not miss my acting teacher shot. I can use my acting skills to teach, and I did it. I didn't miss that shot.
And I still have my acting shot. That hasn't come along yet for me. But my teaching acting shot came and I grabbed on and I took it. Because I ate mom's spaghetti.
She did, and she didn't vomit it on her sweater. Her sweater's clean, mine's a little dirty. But that's okay. I'm still a good teacher. All right, viewers, now is the time you've all been waiting for. It's time to see Bitter Betty
and Bitter Betsy
in action, doing what we get paid hundreds
and thousands per actor.
It's time for the Q's and the A's. Let them roll in.
Oh yeah, you give us your Q's and we'll give you our A's. Oh, we have a question from Rick.
Hello, I'm Rick. I'm so excited to be here. My question is, should I join the union?
Rick, great question. The union is the thing to do. It's the job to have. There's no other way. You do it in any way you can. Volunteer on film sets, do background work, nudity, always say yes. And if they allow a casting couch, get on it. Don't be afraid to use your body. It's only union. It's all that matters.
I have to completely agree with Betty on this one. Do not join the union. Okay? Commercials are 98.7 degrees non-union.
Now, Betsy, I'm afraid you're a bit confused. The 98.7 is the degree of a human body temperature. But you are exactly right about the union joining. So, there you have it, Rick. A very good answer to your union question. You're welcome.
Well, sorry, I'm confused. Did you answer oppositely?
Okay.
Does that mean FICOR or?
One question per person. No doubles. No double dippy.
No, we are very sorry. There's just so many actors desperate for our information that we can only do so many answers, you know? But that means it's time for another question from Stephanie.
Hi, I'm a well-trained actress with years of comedy and theatrical experience, but it's all unpaid. I'm not getting cast in big budget films. What can I do?
Okay. What you're going to do is make your own stuff. Dadoy.
Yeah, that's pretty simple. You know, so what? You're not a writer, you're not a director, you're not a producer.
Your job is to be an actor. Be an actor.
And a producer and a writer and a director and everything else that you need for a film.
And remember, it can't be low quality. And it needs to be something the casting director likes, because if it isn't exactly specifically what the casting director likes, what their taste is, then they'll never hire you.
You'll never work in this town if you make a bad product. They'll hate your guts. But make it anyway, just in case it's good.
But how can it be
Hey!
good if...
Snippity snap, you jumpy jumpers. We have a question from Tori.
Hi, I'm Tori. I've booked 3 recurring roles this year and 2 feature films, and even during quarantine, I'm booking commercials like crazy. Not 6-figure commercials, just 5-figure commercials. But I wanted to know if maybe we should...
Blah, 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 blah. I booked this, and I booked that. Oh, Lori, why don't you go and flick your bean, huh? You're here stroking your ego. Why don't you go and stroke your libido, huh? Why don't you beat it and beat off while you're at it?
She has a good point. Look, we are the bitter bees because we tell the truth. And the truth is, Miss Ass Pimple, we don't care about your big fancy credits that are so amazing and sound wonderful to have. If you can get me cast, you can just, message me
I'm not in casting.
privately.
Betsy, we don't ask the actors for jobs. That's how our Yelp reviews go down the toilet, remember?
Right? Of course. I remember. But seriously, if you can cast me, message me.
Okay. You know what? This means our time is it's coming to an end. Unfortunately, we have gifted so much. It's that time where we think back on all that we gave so generously for free. Free session. And we hope you've enjoyed it.
Totally free. We've given you a gift, and now I think it's time that you give yourself a gift that we gave to you. That's a gift.
Yes, it's a gift from us to you, from you. It's our acting classes. They are a low price, same as always, $467 per class, and there's 18 classes that you have to purchase, and it's like stealing. Such a good deal.
Stealing from us, but we totally will allow it.
We'll allow it, and you'll be better for it. Now, some of you, I can look at your little eyes, and you're thinking, $467, 18 classes is so much. I barely make that much. It's a tough time. So, for you all, for attending this session today, I'll tell you, go get a job. An extra job. You can do a day shift, a night shift. They even have jobs that hire just for the weekend. So you'll have money if you will work all the time.
There's tons of time to work. I mean, outside of taking the classes, which are 8 hours a day, 7 days a week with 3-hour rehearsals after that, money, time, work it.
This class is what separates the actors from the schmactors. Now look at yourself. Take a look at you, and you say, it's the middle of a pandemic, and I'm scared. I don't know if I'll ever work again.
But the question is, are you an actor? And if you have this fear fear that's coming in you. That's like, oh my God, how am I going to pay for this? Am I going to pay for acting class or for rent? Acting class, rent. It's a pandemic. That's easy.
You tell that fear to kiss your rear. And come take our classes, you little chickens, you little chicken asses. Come on.
Just follow us on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, but especially on Venmo, PayPal, Zelle, Amazon, Etsy, eBay.
Yes. If you would like to take our classes, you have to follow us on every social media platform and tell everyone about us on your social media platforms. Then on all the paying things, that's where you can pay us on all the different ones, different ways for each class. And then, and only then, you will be on your way to stardom. Betsy and I have really given a lot. I'm exhausted. I thank you, and you're welcome. That concludes our session today. I bid you all adieu. How do you turn this? Is that the, no. Oh, that is it. That is it. That's it. Oh, no.
Wow, like that's really good wisdom.